Learn how to set Microsoft Word as the default application in Windows 11. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make Word your go-to app for opening documents. Open the Start menu and type Run. Select Run and type MS Settings. Choose Default Apps by file type. Scroll down to the .docx section and ensure Word is the selected default app. Click the back arrow, then choose Set Defaults by App. Scroll to Word, select it, then click Manage. Ensure all document types are set to Word as the default app. Confirm the changes and close the window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.